So as you can see in the picture, I just installed the dryer. It goes on the top. The washer goes in the bottom. And I'm going to show you a little bit before I show you the video how to install it. I'm going to show you a little the instructions, so that way you see what to expect of this kit. So basically, you're going to install, as you can see here, the bracket goes in one end, and then the other bracket goes in the other end. So it's very easy, and also the holes are on the side, so there is no way that you can miss it. So as you can see here, I'm going to scroll down so that way you can see one goes in the very end, the other goes in the very other end, and you have like a locking mechanism that goes inside. So basically all you have to do is just put 4 screws, so 2 screws here, 2 screws in the other end, and that's it. It comes with these stickers. To me, it doesn't make any sense. I mean, you can use them or not. It seems like with the rubber feet it should be plenty enough, but now I'm going to show you the video so that way you can see what I'm saying. Alright, so as you can see here, Electrolux. If you have to stack them up, all you have to do is buy the kit, and the kit goes just in the very back. So basically you put this here, and the screws goes here on this side. Do the same thing in the other end, and that's it. So basically it goes kind of like that. Alright, so you put there another one here, and that's it. And then after that you can hook up the water for the steamer. The exhaust goes here, the water hose, the hot one and cold one, the power, and we should be good.